Hey, good day everybody, it's Dr. A back in the garden again. I just can't stay away, and have so many things to share with you, including the good old sunflower. Van Gogh would be proud to see what's happening with this beautiful group of plants. This one I'm looking at now is what is called Sunfinity, and one of the newer varieties of sunflowers. It's been hot, it's been cruddy, but these have been holding up very, very well. So bring them in the house as cut flowers, or just enjoy them and watch the bees, the bumblebees, and the butterflies, and everybody else enjoying them as much as you. Sunflowers, can't go too wrong. Get some seeds and get out of the way. If you want more information, you might want to take a look at my app, Armitage's Great Garden Plants, and have a ball. Come see us in beautiful Athens, Georgia, and enjoy your garden.